Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technologic YouTube channel. So today in this video, let us see how we can remove all the Chinese applications in your phone. So by detecting the apps, so this app will help us to detect all the apps which are installed in your mobile. So let us see how it works and how we can uninstall the apps. So if you want, so let's get into the topic. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notifications from our channel. Watch the full video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all, open the Play Store and search for remove China apps. So just install it. It is of 3.5 MB and it is with a good rating 4.8. so you can install it. So it will help us to detect all the Chinese apps, which it will show the list, friends. So it will after scanning. So if you want, you can uninstall it. So now let's open this. So as you can see here, we can directly scan. So just click it here. So to scan, so scan now. So as you can see here, it detected all the 5 apps are found with the Chinese apps. So this app, sometimes it is not finding some apps which is developed by the Chinese and updated. So it in further updates it will they fix this bug, and I will explain you how this app is detecting. Mainly every app contains its package name, friends. So package names nothing but for every app it have its own unique ID. You can think as ID. So it will, for example, let us think for the any of the Google, for com.google, com.whatsapp.com, you can find the link. For example, for WhatsApp, at the end of the link you can find that com.whatsapp.whatsapp, like that. It is, so with the help of that it is finding this. So just to uninstall this, just click on it. So do you want to uninstall this app? Okay, so you can clear all the apps from here itself. As you can see here, uninstalling the, so and also you can uninstall from this. You can clear from this app. And also if you are uninstalling this app, so if you want any alternative apps for this app, so for cam scanner we use in daily life nowadays, it is important. So I will show you the alternative apps. If you want, you can comment down below, or else if you want a dedicated video on it, you can comment down below about that, so that I will make another video which are mainly top 10 like apps what we are using and what the alternative for them also. So I hope this video is helpful for for you, and also share this video with your friends and family members, so that they too can know how many apps are they are using developed by the Chinese. So that's all for this video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.